A progressive trailing stop is a tool that helps protect your profits in the market. It allows you to set up to 2 additional tiers to adjust the distance of your trailing stop if certain trigger points are reached. First, you set up the standard trailing stop, which is called Tier 1. This trailing stop becomes active immediately and works like a regular stop loss, limiting your potential losses. The second tier, known as trailing stop, Tier 2, is triggered when the market price reaches a level that you define. At this point, the trailing stop distance is automatically modified to the desired value, providing you with more protection for your profits. You can also add a third tier, which acts as another trigger point. Once the market price reaches this level, the trailing stop is again automatically adjusted. When the market eventually changes direction, you have the opportunity to exit your position at a much better price compared to if you had used a standard trailing stop. This helps protect a larger portion of your gained profits.